Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're good. I am here with my first three entries to Tina's 2K challenge giveaway. And if you don't know about it, I will link the video with all the details in the description box below. So, my first entry I'm going to show is from a lot of people, but it's only counted as one person's entry. I'm going to read the card to you. It says, Tina, so glad we are friends. This was all in good fun. Hope you enjoy. Els. There it is, guys. She did a Tina, she's calling it. She's got spray. She's got little dots, which she did in black and circled them as well as in white. She's got a little girl and she colored her. And then she outlined her in white. She's got a little puppy dog, which she colored and outlined. And then she's got one of my favorite Diane Delusion sands. You may not have lost all your marbles, but there's definitely a hole in the bag. Then when you turn it over, it has none of her own information. Not one iota about Els. Too funny. She's got name, Tina M. That's me. Favorite color, red. That's mine. Craft style right now, mixed media. That's me. But she's got made by Bima, Dawn, Renee, JD, Tina, and then a little mark, and everybody else 101. Well, I hate to tell you, Dawn, Renee, JD, Tina, and everybody else, you have to send your own card to be entered. I'm going to accept this as Bima's entry. You guys were so funny. I watched that video and laughed so hard. It was all in good place. So, we have Bima's entry. Smart butt. And I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. I'm putting you guys down here so I know for my own. But Bima's tickets right here. Boom. Got her name on. You'll see in a second how I'm going to do this. Now, the second person to enter my challenge, thank you by the way, Bima, was NETTIE. She sent in 2. And you only get credit for 1. You could have sent in an index card, a memory dex card, or an ATC. She sent 2, but you only get 1 entry. So, I'm going to show you her craftsmanship. She got her memory dex card. So I love this paper. Kind of looks mixed media. I kept trying to see if it was a... I was like, it to me looks like a butterfly. Like all over, but I'm not sure. But it says craft. And then she's got a button. She's got a painter's palette. She's got paint right here. Bottles. She's got a pair of scissors. She's got paintbrushes. Ain't that cute? I love it. And then on the back, her name is NETTIE Munson. And Facebook, NETTIE Munson. She was from Illinois. You don't think she didn't put it on as her birthday. That's okay. And then I don't want to show her information, but she just got this cute little butterfly right there. So that's cute. And then her index card, she's got like a ticket, and then she's got some book pages and a picture of a couple. She's got a flower and a pearl and some leaf and blue, and she's like, it looks like watercolored paper that she used as the first initial background, and then a piece of paper. And then she titled it Honeymooners on the back. So that was kind of cool. And we put that over there. I get my pad of paper so I can enter her name. I'm going to make sure I spell it right. Yep. Okay. Thanks for entering, NETTIE. I love it. I love it. Okay. And I'm going to put your name on there here as well. Okay. Then the third entry is... This one threw me because I didn't recognize the name. Huh. It's funny. Oops. It's from Crafty Lady Lisa. She does have a YouTube channel. Look at this die. I want this die. I was like, this is a cool die. The Suitcase. She's got a little, shaped like a suitcase. She's got little dots up here. Blue, red, like a yellow, green. The black going down the sides. A little tag. A flower. Flippy flops. And it says vacation time. Look at the little wheels. It's so cute. Isn't that cute? And Crafty Lady Lisa. She's from Michigan. Her favorite color is pink and gold. Favorite craft is paper. And candy is chocolate. She sent that, and she also sent me some goodies too. I'm going to show. She got this little card that says handmade, and then it's a little saying it says, "Hi Tina, I was happy to enter your challenge. Your friend, Lisa, Crafty Lady Lisa." Thank you so much. So put it there. But she sent me goodies, and you didn't have to. Goodies are not necessarily, but well received, and thank you very much. She sent me a stencil, which I don't have. This cool stencil. It's like bakery. You got the rolling pin, the apron, the oven mitts, the fork, the spoon, a pot, a teapot, milk jug, canister, and a cutting board. That's a cute stencil. And doing it with mixed media, you can always use stencil. Now this is so cute. I showed these when I was live, and I was laughing at Bima's. And this is cool. It's a little teapot. It's right here. When you flip it over, it's a little cup. But this is so cool how she did this. I love the paper. You open it up, and you got little teacups with a spoon in the little tea bag. Then on the bottom says, "You're so sweet, just for you, tea time." Okay? But then when you flip it up, it's little pockets for tea. That is such a neat, creative idea. So let's see. We got orange and spice. Yum. Lemon. Yum. Black tea. Green tea. Peach with peach. Thank you. That is such a cute idea. I might have to make me some of these. What a cute little gesture gift, you know? Give that neighbor, you just, oh, I lost a little tea thingy. I don't know where it came from. Over here. I'll have to put that back on. I'll just set it right there for now. Just a little gesture gift. If you have a neighbor or something you want to give a little gift to and she drinks tea, this would be a cute idea. Also, she sent me a pencil. And I think you just press it. Oh, maybe it's a pen. I thought it was a pencil. Oh, it is a pencil. Okay. So you just press it. It's got this pretty flowers on. Cool. Then she sent me some medals. These are cool. Look at that. Look at that octopus. I want to say it's an octopus. So cute. And then another metal butterfly. And then some little itty bitty teeny ones that are like gems, and then a smaller one. Oh, that was cool. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. And then put them back in the bag so I don't lose them. Oh, I put them in a vase with my others so I know where they are. And then there's this. This is cool, guys. Paris 125 multi-purpose self-adhesive labels. Love the cover of this. Look at the pretty cover. Love it. Then when you flip it over, it is made by Life Canvas. Just in case you guys wanted to know. Because I know there's a lot of people out there that love Paris themed. But open it up. And it's all these little different labels. That is so cool. I don't remember what that's called. I know that's Paris Tower thing. I mean, and then a wheel thing. I don't own Paris that well. Eiffel Tower. There we go. Duh. And then look at the houses. Cool. The night sky. I'll have to look that up. And then a bicycle and air balloons over the city. And then a city. And I think it starts all over again. Yep. So you got a whole book of these. It's so cool. So pretty. Makes me want to do something Paris now. So thank you. That is so nice of you. So let's get Lisa down in the books. So we're going to go Crafty Lady Lisa. Crafty Lady Lisa. Now, I'm doing it old school, guys. Old school. I'm an old schooler. I'm gonna put your little tickets out. To the side for the next time. Alright, you ready? Meet my giveaway bear. I'm gonna put him up so you guys can see him. See my giveaway bear? It's an animal craft barrel. I mix meated him up. He's cool. So, open the lid. Just think this was full of change for Allison when she was younger. And I cashed it in and I had over, I think, $500 and I've done one for each kid. So, first person to go in is Bima. And all I do is going to fold him over and fold it over again. Boom. Nettie. Sorry, you guys. I'm going to make sure you guys see this as I go along. I almost slipped out of my fingers. Crafty Lady Lisa. And boom. You are in a bear. He's going to sit on my floor, and every time I get somebody that enters, your names will be going in there. There they are. They're in there. Can you see them in there? Probably not. There they are. They're in there. There they are. And hopefully, I may have one of my grandkids that day. That I draw the winner on June 5th, I believe I said. And I will let one of the grandkids choose a name. So, if you're not aware of the 2K, Tina's 2K challenge giveaway, I will have that first initial video telling you what you have to do to enter in the description box below with these wonderful ladies' channels. Except for Nettie. She doesn't do YouTube, I don't believe, because she does Facebook. She may watch. But, alright. So, I want to thank each and every one of you wonderful ladies that have entered so far. Just remember, it has a lot of time to do it. And fun prizes. And I keep adding. I added again today. So, this is going to be whoever wins this. You're going to see stuff you're like, oh, I don't remember her showing that. Because I keep adding to it. So, thank you very much, everybody, for supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I never thought in my lifetime I'd be over 2,000. So thank you, everybody, and from the bottom of my heart. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.